Everyone is talking about AI agents, but very few understand how agents actually communicate, delegate, and coordinate. Introducing agents to agent communications, where you will build multi-agent system from scratch. In just 2 weeks, you will learn how to route tasks, delegate works, and orchestrate full pipeline using pure Python. So, route plus delegates plus orchestrate. So this is theme of this course. So why A2A communications matters now? So here is the reality. A single LLM call cannot handle complex multi-step workflows. Real-world AI systems need planning, research, and executions, and that requires multiple agents working together. Without communications between agents, your system breaks at scale. So, agents do not work alone, they coordinate. So, who should take this course? This course is built for developers who want to go beyond frameworks. If you are building AI or multi-agent applications, preparing to work with tools like LangGraph or Crew AI, designing backend AI systems, you will build everything in pure Python, no hidden abstractions. What learners will gain. So these are four outcomes. Outcome 1, defining agents are executable unit will identify roles and specialize behavior. Outcome 2, build a structured message with intent, validations and JSON serializations. Outcome 3, implement capability based routing and multi-hop delegations chains. Wire a complete multi-agent system with orchestration, tracing, and export. So this is how real agent systems are built in production. The course walk you through the full journey from defining agents like agent and executable unit to build a structured messaging systems, then capability based routing, delegations between agents, conversational context A2A protocol envelopes, and finally building a complete A2A system from scratch. And every chapter includes hands-on lab so you build while learning. Now let's talk about the tools, skills and real-world relevance. You will work with core engineering concepts like Python OOPS, JSON serializations and designing patterns. And more importantly, you will understand the foundations behind frameworks like LangGraph, Crew AI and Autogen. So instead of just using tools, you will know how they actually work. So don't just use agent framework, understand them. If you want to build scalable AI systems with multiple agents, this is the skills you cannot skip. So join agent to agent communications course today. Visit ai.codersart.com/courses and start building real multi-agent systems from scratch. So build real agents, not just prompts.